Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 2, the teeth. Now, we all have teeth. Now, why teeth is important and what is the function of teeth in our body? So, let's begin the chapter. Our teeth are an important part of our body. Our teeth helps us to bite, tear, and grind food. Our teeth also give shape to our body, and not only that, it helps us to smile and speak. Okay. In human being there are two sets of teeth. The first set of teeth is called the temporary teeth and the second set of teeth is called the permanent teeth. So let us take a look at what is temporary teeth and what is permanent teeth. Okay. So when a child is born, the child does not have any teeth, but after few months the child gets the teeth. So after the 6 months old or after 3 or between 3 years, the teeth that a child has is called the temporary teeth. Now temporary teeth is also called milk teeth because it falls after the age of 3. Okay. Now there are only 20 milk teeth in all, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. Okay. Now after the milk teeth begins to fall one by one between the age of 6 and 12, a permanent set of teeth grows in human being. Now this permanent set of teeth is called the permanent teeth. Now it has to be remembered that if this teeth falls down, then there will be no other teeth coming in that place. Okay. Now we have 32 permanent teeth. Now 32 permanent teeth, out of which 16 is in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Okay. We have four kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The shape of each tooth helps us to carry out our different functions. Now let's talk about the first kind of teeth, that is incisors. Okay, this one. The chisel shaped our front four teeth in both upper and lower jaws are called incisors. Now incisors are flat but sharp at the ends. Now they helps us to bite and cut the food into smaller pieces. The incisors are the first teeth that a child gets. Now second kind of permanent teeth is canines. On the either side of these incisors there are sharp pointed teeth. These are called canines. Now there are four canines in our body: in the mouth, two in the upper jaw and two in the lower jaw. Now canines helps us to tear the food into pieces. Now when you are eating flesh of something, when you are eating something, you have to tear and you have to take the help of this canine. Okay. Premolars. Now there are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. Means there are 4 premolars in the upper jaw, 4 premolars in the lower jaw. Now they grow next to the canines and they are wide and have ridges in them. Now these are helpful in cutting and grinding food. Now just like grinding something, your teeth grinds the food into smaller pieces so that you can have better digestion, better taste and something like that. Okay. Next set of permanent teeth and the last set is called the molars. At the back of the each jaw there are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. They are wider than premolars and have more ridges in them. They help us to crush and grind food before we swallow it. So we have to remember, students, that there is a basic difference between premolars and molars. Now premolars helps us to cut and grind, whereas molars helps us to crush and grind. Okay, so premolars cut, molars crush the food. Okay.